Hi guys, these are the ingredients that I use: brown sugar, sweet potatoes, vanilla extract, honey, and nutmeg and cinnamon. So you want to boil your sweet potatoes, get them all smashed down. If you don't have a blender, which I don't unfortunately at this time, but I will invest. And once you have it all smashed down, you're going to add in your ground cinnamon. I love ground cinnamon, but I love nutmeg more. So I put a lot of that in there. I put the dark brown sugar in there. I put a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then I put in a stick of butter. I did not use egg for this recipe. And just get the stirring, and I only use water. Here's the pie crust that I use. It's the rollout kind, which was like $2. I rolled it out on my pan. I added a little butter to the pie crust. I put it in the oven. I sprayed the edges before I put it in the oven, and I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least an hour. This is what it looked like when I pulled it out. But I like mine's cold, so I put it in the refrigerator for a while. And here it is. It was so good. I added a little bit of powdered sugar, and it was fabulous. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how yours turned out if you wanted to go without egg or milk. Bye.